at Great Sand Dunes National Park. It's behind us. Super cool dunes where we have the sun on us, and that's where we walk from.
Part 77 of my 6-week ride, Moto Rallies, camping, and mountain passes. Zigzagging our way through Colorado. Starting in Colorado Springs and ending at Great Sand Dunes National Park.
Interesting. We are in the Performing Arts Museum district of Colorado Springs, where they have pretty wildflowers downtown. City Hall. Mr. Horse Dude. General Jackson. Yeah, it looks nice. Right. Except for this house right beside us. I don't know, a half-buried 70s monstrosity. From far away, that looks like a dinosaur statue. Spanish Peaks on I-25. That's interesting. County Courthouse. I saw that we had a red light and that one's behind us. Well, I don't remember this town. You do? Hmm. A little town with a water slide. Well, I've got to say our weather has been very nice today. Not too hot. Looks like we're going to miss the rain, which is awesome. Yesterday as well. We just got rained on for 15 minutes maybe, and not very hard. Look at those clouds. Okay, stay up there, clouds. Or go that way. Big rocks sticking up over there. Kind of cool. It's getting cooler. Down to 74. Yeah, you're going to be like the, well, no one's behind us really, but you're going to be like the rigs where you have to put on your hazard lights. He did, he put on his brakes, flashed his brakes. so watch for animals. Yeah, I was just saying the sign. This is time of day. And yeah, look at this area. There's got to be animals in here. It actually just got a bit warmer. It was down to 68, it's now at 70. National Heritage Area. It's up to 75 now. The plane down there. Fort Garland. Okay. It rained here, looks like. Yeah, that pizza smells good. You can go out and buy it. To your right is probably Great Sand Dunes, because I know the sand blows off the top of the mountain and makes the dunes between the mountains or something like that. I can't remember exactly. I should say the wind makes the sand. I think it's made from gypsum from the mountains being blown off. Town of Blanca. Alright, not too fast. Good wind issues. The town of Alamosa, Colorado. Oh crap, my bike just did it. No. Your signal's on. I'm gonna assume this guy's parking. Yep. Cool. Mariachi band. Oh, there's a deer right there. Hi, deer in the middle of town. The Rio Grande in Alamosa, Colorado. Just went over the Rio Grande. We are going east on 160 towards Great Sand Dunes National Park. Oh, are they almost on the road? Yep. Hello, Mr. Cow. Stay there. Open grazing, I guess. Lots of cattle. We are on Colorado 150 going north towards Great Sand Dunes National Park. It's just before 10 in the morning and it's not too windy yet, just normal wind. Last night it was crazy windy at the hotel. Great Sand Dunes National Park. The dunes are the lower mountains. Debris and roadway. Okay. So I'm hoping we get in and out of here before the wind gets too strong today. Since we are in open plains. Deer. Stay there, deer. The daddy deer. And another one. You are seeing these deer, right? Okay. Hello. I have a pass. Just give me 1 second. Sorry. Good. I would love a map. Yep. Just go straight to the parking?
Yeah, so second left to the dune.
Second left. Thank you. All right. Thank you, dude. Do not enter when flooded. Okay.
Keep going.
I just didn't know if that was oil. I didn't want to go in it.
At Great Sand Dunes National Park. This place is amazing. Super cool dunes. We walk across what is sometimes a river to get here, which was very nice. And then beautiful dunes behind us. It's early in the morning, so we have the sun on us this direction, which from up on the dunes a little bit, you can see a bit of the shading behind the dunes now that we're up here. From in front of the dunes, you couldn't see that. It looked more flat and one-dimensional. And that's where we walk from.
Like, subscribe, share, and add a comment. I am on the road for 6 weeks this trip. Besides a few rallies, I was on my own for the first month. Then Paul joined me for his 2 weeks of vacation. Hit the notifications bell and you'll be notified for my next video. As Paul and I continue taking the scenic route, riding south through New Mexico. Follow me on social media, links in the description below.